Munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua kwa rita ringi ni ateteire itua riake ria kwendekithia ugai wa kigina kuringana na wingi wa andu uria onanagio ta one man one shilling na kuregana na njira nene ati ni aracogera gukabira guku bururi-ini.
Taka ni mkinikubalia nirudi Nairobi nikae alafu niende kwa village. Unajua kila mtu wako mahali alitoka. So kila mtu wako na kwao.
Ni amenereirie amwe ya ateti na aria maratambia ndeto ici makiria kuma gicigo giki kia Kirima akiuga ati ni maramuhaka ndoro tuhu.
Everybody should be proud of your origin and your identity, and nobody should ever make you feel embarrassed about your origin and identity.
Deputy President aritio higo ya kuhingura kigomano kia athondeki a ndawa guku bururi-ini kaunti-ini ya Mombatha na kuri ugite thirikari ni guthie na mbere na bara ya turia nime aria ingi mahingurite mathibitari matakinyaniirie ikiro makihuthira maratathi matari magiriru.
We are ready to give you law enforcement officers across our 47 counties to help you shut down all unlicensed facilities across the country.
And I'm happy that so far we have done governance reforms at KEMSA. It is not operating optimally, but I know with the efforts that we are putting in place, we should be able to operate optimally.
Ihinda-ini riu wa Kenya ni moritio kwihariria wega kuingira mubango-ini wa SHIF a Kenya aria mandikitwo mawira makiambiriria kurengwo gicunje kia 2.75 hari igana kia mushara wao mweri wa Mugwanja.
We are at the stage of implementation of our social health authority. So as I stand before you, esteemed members of PSK, is to ask you of your support for this.
Things you are our friends. Yes.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, nie njitagwo Gishimo Joseph.